Here we have a 70-plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few there, we do have the M Sport Pro package, the technology and also the visibility packages. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We also have the mineral grey metallic paintwork, the LED headlights, gloss black front grills and also the front splitter as well, the full M Performance kit that this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side you find the second alloy wheel just down here, again unmarked, as you can see if we take a closer look. Taking a step back you find the side skirts on the bottom, colour coded door handles and the black trim around the windows, privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top. We do also have the rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate. Then coming around to the rear you find front and rear parking sensors with a visual display. We also have a reversing camera as well. We have the dual exit exhaust with the rear diffuser. And then walking back round to the driver's side now you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior, coming into the back first, inside of here you find we have the full black leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, the M Sport style seat belts, fixed ISO points as well. We do also have the ambient lighting you may have noticed on the doors. We have the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers, electric windows and also the premium Harman Kardon sound system on the doors. Again, full leather interior at the front. Both the front seats are heated. There's a look at them. Again on the doors, the electric windows, child lock for the rear, electric mirrors, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights just there, the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. We have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, the speed limiter and the cruise control just here on the left hand side. Now if you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will turn on. We have the high beam assist just here on the left hand side. We also have the heads up display as well up here. Now if that is flickering, it's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We are also free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. We have the main infotainment screen as well in the centre. Again, if it's flickering, it's just the camera. So on here you find the sat nav. We have the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media. You find the radio stations. We do also have the Spotify and the Bluetooth audio. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if we go on to car, then go on to the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting just here. Plenty of colours which we can go through, as you can see. We have the intelligent safety system as well, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Then moving further down, we do have the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on each side, as you can see, working as they should do. We do also have the wireless phone charging inside of there, the cup holders, automatic gearbox, the different drive modes. So as you can see, we have the adaptive drive mode, we have electric, hybrid, and also the sport drive mode as well. Put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera, the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park low. We also have the electric handbrake just there, along with the auto hold button, leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.